Hello everyone, this is Stephen Emmanuel. Today's class we're going to solve problems based on RSA algorithm. The RSA algorithm was developed by River, Shamir and Alma. The main steps for the RSA algorithm is shown. First is your key generation, where we have to select two prime numbers P and Q, where P is not equal to Q. Second step is to calculate the value of n, where n is calculated by multiplying the values of the prime numbers P and Q. Third step is to calculate the value of phi of n, where phi of n is equal to P minus 1 into Q minus 1. Fourth step is to select an integer e such that it satisfies the condition GCD of phi of n, comma e is equal to 1, where the value of e lies in the range of 1 less than e less than phi of n. The fifth step is to calculate the value of d, where d is equivalent to e power minus 1 mod phi of n. With these values, we can calculate the public key and private key for the RSA algorithm. The public key is given by pu is equal to e comma n, and the private key pr is equal to d comma n. We'll see the formulas for the calculation of encryption and decryption. The plain text M is always less than N. The ciphertext C can be calculated by using the formula C is equal to M power E mod N. And for the decryption process, the ciphertext C is given. The plain text M can be calculated using the formula M is equal to C power D mod N. Now we'll move to the solution of the RSA algorithm. Now we have a problem. Perform encryption and decryption for the following using RSA. The values of P, Q, E and M are given. Now we'll move to the solution of RSA algorithm. The first step in the RSA algorithm is to select the values of P and Q. The values of P and Q are already given in the problem, where P is equal to 17 and Q is equal to 11. We see that both are prime numbers and the value of P is not equal to Q. So the first condition is satisfied here. The second step is to calculate the value of n, where n is equal to P into Q, where P is equal to 17 and Q is equal to 11. So 17 into 11 is equal to 187. Now the third step is to calculate your phi of n, where the phi of n is given by P minus 1 into Q minus 1. The value of P is 17 minus 1, value of Q is 11 minus 1. 16 into 10, the value is 160. So the value of phi of n is given by 160. The fourth step is to calculate the value of d, where d is equivalent to e power minus 1 mod phi of n. This can also be written as e into d is equal to 1 mod phi of n. Now before proceeding to the calculation of d, let us substitute the values of e and phi of n. d into value of e is 7 is equal to 1 mod value of phi of n is 160. Now for the calculation of d into 7 is equal to 161 mod 160. Just add the value of 160 to this one. You get the value of 161. Now divide the value of 161 by 7, that is the value of e. So when you divide the value of 161 divided by 7, you get 23. So 23 is the value of d. it is fully divided, so you get 23 into 7 is equal to 161 mod 160. So your D is equal to 23. Now we will write down the values of your public key. PU is equal to E comma N. PU is equal to, value of E is 7, value of N is 187, and the private key PR is equal to T comma N. PR is equal to, the value of T is 23 as we have calculated it, and value of N is 187. So with the key generation process is over. Next we will proceed to the encryption and decryption process. First is your encryption process. In the encryption process, you have your plain text M is equal to 88. We need to calculate your ciphertext with the formula C is equal to M power E mod N. So C is equal to M, value is 88, value of E is given as 7, and mod value of N is 187. Now we will see how to solve this ciphertext, where C is equal to, split this into factors, 88 to the power 4 mod 187, 88 square mod 187, and 88 mod 187 mod 187, such that 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 is 7. You get the value power of 7. Now first we will solve for the value of 88 to the power 4 mod 187. 88 to the power 4 mod 187. Please have your calculators with you. Now solve for 88 to the power 4. The value is given as 59969,536. Now we are going to divide this value by 187. So when you divide this value by 187, you get 320,692.7059. We take only the values that is in front of your decimal point. So 320,692 into 187. When you multiply the values of 320,692 into 187, you get 599,69404. Now minus this value with the value which you have already got, 599,69536, minus this value 599,69404. When you minus the values of 599,69536 minus 599,69404, you get 132. Now the value of 88 to the power 4 mod 187 is 132. Now we'll move to the calculation of the next 88 square mod 187. So we'll move to the next calculation of 88 square mod 187. 88 into 88. Your value is 7744. Divide this value by 187. Divided by 187. You get 41.41. Take the values that is before the decimal point. So 41 into 187. 41 into 187. You get the value of 7667. Now 7744 minus 7667. 7744 minus 7667. Value is 77. So now we have the value of 77. So 88 square mod 187 is 77. Now when we move to the next value of 88 mod 187, as it is a smaller number, we write it as it is. Smaller number than the value of 187. Now this value into mod 187. Now we will do the multiplication of 132 into 77 into 88. We get the value as 894432 mod 187. Now we'll do the calculation of this 894432 mod 187. Now when you have this value of 894432 divided by 187, your answer is 4783.058. Take the values that is before the decimal point. So 4783 into the value of 187. You get 894421. Now we already have a value of 894432 minus the value of 894421. Your answer is 11. So the ciphertext here is 11. Value of C is 11. Next we'll move to the decryption process. For the decryption process, you have your ciphertext C is equal to 11, which we have already found now. Now we need to find the plain text from this ciphertext. You know the formula of plain text M is equal to C power T mod N. Now substitute the values. M is equal to, the value of C is 11, the value of T is 23, mod 187. Now as we have done before, let us make it into small numbers so that it is easy for the calculation. 11 power 8 mod 187 into 11 power 8 mod 187 into 11 power 4 mod 187 into 11 power 2 mod 187 into 11 power 1 mod 187 into mod 187. Now let us solve for the first one, 11 power 8 mod 187. 11 power 8 mod 187. 11 to the power 8 is equal to, first we'll find 11 to the power 8 is equal to 214 35881. This is the value of 11 power 8. Now we need to divide this value by 187 divided by 187. We get the value 1146304.176. We take the values that is before the decimal point. Now we have 1146304 into 187. We have the value of 214358848. We already have a value of 214358881 minus 214358848. When you minus both the values, 214358881 minus 214358848, you get the value of 33. So 11 power 8 mod 187 is 33. Now we have two 11 power 8 available here. So 33 into 33. The next thing that we need to find is 11 power 4 mod 187. Now let us find for the 11 power 4 mod 187. 11 power 4 mod 187. So let us calculate. 11 power 4 is equal to 14641. Divide this value by 187. You get 78.29. Take the values that is before the decimal point. You get 78. Multiply it by 187. You get 14586. Now subtract it with the value that we have already found. 14641 minus 14586. 14641 minus 14586. You get the answer of 55. You get 55. So 11 power 4 mod 187 is 55. So into 55. Now as we have found the values of 11 power 8 mod 187 and 11 power 4 mod 187, we are going to the next of 11 power 2 mod 187. 11 power 2 mod 187. Now 11 into 11 is 121. So 121 mod 187. As it is a smaller value than the value after the mod, which is 187, so you write the value as it is. Next is 11 mod 187. As it is a smaller value, write it as it is into mod 187. Now as we have your 11 power 23 mod 187, we have separated it into smaller values of 11 power 8 mod 187. 11 power 8 mod 187, 11 power 4 mod 187, 11 power 2 mod 187, 11 power 1 mod 187 into 1 mod 187. We have calculated the values of 11 power 8 mod 187, which is 33. As we have 2 11 power 8 mod 187, we have written 33 into 33. 11 power 4 mod 187, as we have calculated, is 55. 11 power 2 mod 187 is 121. 11 mod 187 is 11. We have the values of 33 into 33 into 55 into 121 into 11. Now multiply these values of 33 into 33 into 55 into 121 into 11. You get the values 79720 mod 187. We have 79720 mod 187. Now we are going to solve the mod for this. Now divide this value of 79720 divided by 187. We have the value of 426,311.4706. Take the values that is before the decimal point. 426,311. Multiply it with the value of 187. You get 7972017. We already have a value 79720 subtracted with 79720 which is after multiplying the value of 187. When you subtract this both values, 79720 minus 79720 get the value of 88. So the value of M is equal to 88. Thank you for your patient listening. We'll see you with the next video.